story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad that I'm gone. I want you to be amazed that any of us ever had a chance to be here at all. Good luck.
Good morning, traders. What's going on, people? How do you guys like the new stream? Look at this I made. Yeah. Should be finished soon. I didn't think I was gonna get to do it today with the stream, but yeah, I just finished. I still have to boost the Discord, so it's not. It's telling. It's saying a name of a Discord that's just not real yet. I have to boost it still. So, what do you guys think? Good? I think it looks all right. It's pretty cool, man. Like this information on the front, on the first screen, like that P&L, it's pulling it right from Discord, right? So like that P&L and this chart is accurate, right? That's on there. So it's showing the last 15 sessions. It's showing the cumulative total, the average win-loss percentage, and last session's information. Took me a little while to get that hooked up, but got her. Should be good. So YM looks like it's coming into a level. We should just talk about that first. There's no all fucked up now. There's no news today, right? No. When's a heater this week? Wednesday. Oh, FOMC day on Wednesday. Okay. Nothing else during the week. All right. So yeah, this is the new layout. Looks all right. YM coming into a interesting spot. Probably going to be looking at YM, I'm sure. So quick peruse through the old charts. Oh, this short's playing out pretty well. See on the liquidity. They've already taken the liquidity there. This looks dangerous, dude. Really, man. This looks a bit dangerous. Let's see here. Yes. And cute. See if NQ can hold this upper range. Doesn't look very promising, man. We'll see if they can hold this. If not, we're headed here. We'll mark that. They already touched that, so yeah, we'd be headed here. Okay. You know, I was gonna short you know, the stream says unstable. How does the stream look, guys? Is it okay? Just says unstable over here. On Kick doesn't even load. YouTube says it's okay. I don't know why this says it. This is saying it's unstable. I don't know, man. It seems fine though, right? It sucks. I can't get that fucking YouTube chat to work, man. Fucked with it for like an hour. Anyway, it's too late now. It's too late to do anything with that now. Looks like new lows coming for YM. What's oil doing? Must be blasting. Yeah. Oil looking to re-achieve the 4-hour here. Holding the top line. It's pretty good, man. They gain this and we're off to the races. Probably gonna take new highs, I would think. There is a big gap here though. Big gap here in oil at 89. But if we take this, if we have 4-hour closes above this, I would think that we're going to go there. This fucking retest, man. They wiped everybody out. Yeah, 85 has already been tested though. There's this up here, I guess, too. But they tested the bottom already. So there is the top of it though to test still. But I would think that they're gonna just go here. Maybe some fuckery first, but I would think that that's the next stop. 89. How about gold? Gold failed the 4-hour, retested it. Failing the hourly. Gold looks like it's gonna go back down. It's an untested 4-hour here. But it looks like shorts for gold for now. Where's the move that made this so? This is the low here. Yeah. Yeah, I would keep an eye on that swing. This has been tested though, right? Top and bottom. Yeah. I would look at the daily. There's a daily move that made this low. Yeah, this isn't really tested yet, so I'll mark that out on gold. Yeah, those are kind of the areas I'd be looking for on gold. I think it's headed back down to this area, and we'll see what happens there. But honestly, I don't think gold, the dump in gold is done yet. I think we're going to like 35 ish. So I'm interested in longing YM. I'd like it a little bit lower first, but if this is it, we're already in the range of interest here. We got the hourly support coming up, or is it the 4-hour support? It's the hourly support coming up down here. This could dump a little bit more though. Russell kind of looks like it's kind of near this spot here. It's 15-minute. Is this tested already or what? Not really, yeah. I better mark that. Kind of be interested in that for Russell also. A little bit lower on Russell and I'd be interested. All right, it's kind of where we're at. Russell, did they fail the 4-hour here or no? Yeah, they did. They didn't retest it though, really. And it's not really a failure, really. This is going to be the failure down here. Okay. All right, man. So, what's up, guys? How is everybody? The market open in about 30 minutes. A little 30-minute market open soon. I spent like probably, I don't know, maybe 3 hours going through stupid bot trades that they're not doing it correctly. So now we have to go back and retrain it again. Everything, like we basically starting from scratch again. So stupid, man. It's tiring, man. Just going through these stupid fucking trades. I was training it. I was training it to count a failure when it fails the 4-hour body, and I don't think it's working like that too well. Needs to fail the actual wick. I think that's the next thing I'm gonna train it. Fail or gain the actual wick, and then we'll see on the 4-hour. We got the AI scanning. Yeah, I'm doing well, Craftsman. Thanks for asking. Doing pretty well. We got the AI scanning like the whole fucking market at this point. I don't know if you guys saw in the Discord. It's literally scanning 11,000 stocks. 11,000 stocks and 1,000 cryptos. And anything that gains a weekly, it'll be in there for you guys to look at. Take those all with a grain of salt though, man, because like it's still like beta basically. We're not really, I haven't really gone through them too much. I'm sure it's going to be doing some things wrong, but that'll at least give us, a bunch of things to look at when something gains the weekly, especially in crypto. Like when crypto gains the weekly, you can have lots of things on your watch list. It's going to happen soon. That's why I did it now. So we'll be all set up for it. Why I'm continuing down. I'm getting close to the hourly swing here. I think I'm gonna wait for a gain on YM, at least the 1 minute gain. We're trading an account. It's up $600. Gotta start getting my ass in gear on some of these accounts. Last 2 sessions were pretty shit. At least we didn't lose money though. What? They were pretty not good. Pretty not good. Trying to make, 500 or more a day.
Cuma 29.000 aja kata.
Soul, yeah. You can check it, sure. Soul, eh? I don't know, man. It's testing a tested area on the weekly. You think they're gonna stop it here? Maybe. This is weekly liquidity, so obviously there was gonna be a pump, right? And it's failing this weekly. It failed this weekly. I don't think it's there yet, dude. On the weekly, looks bad. Looks like more down. On the daily, hasn't gained anything yet. Needs to gain that. They're coming close to failing a daily. If they fail this, then it's like, look out below, right? This is the buy zone. You need to kind of look also what they're bouncing, right? And if that's, does it make sense that they're bouncing that? And could that be like the bottom, Like, see, the last time that Soul, look where the last time the weekly bottomed here, man. This could have bounced though, because this was untested, right? So this had a real chance at bouncing and at being the bottom when we were over here, because this was all untested, right? So it just has a real chance of being the bottom, but not good enough. So they moved lower, took the liquidity out from here, and this is untested too, so it was a big front run of that. Then they bounced this untested, makes sense. Then they bounced this untested, right? Makes sense. So this is the area to be looking at for Soul, because they blasted this and they never came back and tested this one. Yeah, this is all internal. You should just always avoid all internal action, even if it works. But like, I would say that it's okay to take it. Like this trade would have been all right to take because you knew that there's sweeping weekly liquidity here, so you're expecting a move back up to the weekly, right? So this is a good like example of like when an internal is okay to take, because this risk isn't that bad, and you're expecting a move back up to the weekly for another rejection. So but yeah, I would be expecting this down here, 38 or below. 38 is just the wick. It could be like 32 or whatever. But I don't want to tell you never take those trades, right, Craftsman? Because it's like those trades are you get some good ROI with those trades sometimes, right? But you just need to take them in the right spot. There needs to be a reason for the market to move, right? Don't just take it in like these kind of internals are shit, because like it's really not good, right? Like these ones over here are really bad because like it's, you know, they just failed here, and then they're re-achieving here, right? So like taking that is super risky, right? But ones like this, a little bit better for a higher low kind of play. Taking liquidity here, it did take weekly liquidity, you know. As you can talk it out and make sense of it. You guys got any other ones? I normally avoid the internal ones too, honestly. It's just easier to just not trade them. Depends how active you want to be trading. NG. Yeah, I don't like how they fail the daily on the way down, or a weekly on the way down. So this is a decent spot, but they failed this weekly, right? And then they continued down. That's why I wouldn't take it. If they didn't fail that weekly, then yeah, I would take it. But they failed this weekly, right? On the way down. So because of that, I wouldn't take it. Yeah. Yeah, they failed this same shit. This chart looks a little different than the other one. Oh no, it doesn't. Same shit. Same thing. I wouldn't take that, man. I'm expecting this lower, dude. I don't know where, but this could get a little ugly. Yeah, there's some gaps down here. This would be a decent place to be taking trades. Yeah, 2020. It's 2014. I marked it. This gap. I think that would hold. That would be a really good place to be taking trades. Maybe a little bit longer term one. You would think that's a bounce there would probably rival the top of this again. So 214 to 300 would be like, that's where what you'd be trying to get out of it. The liquidity here. Do you guys like the smaller camera? It's not so invasive on the chart, right? Good times. I'm gonna boost the Discord soon. My favorite is this though. Yeah! Charting! So stupid, man. YM having a little, is this YM? Yeah, YM having a little gain. Might take a small one here, man. Let's try it out.
Order filled.
Let's try it out with 6. Let's try it out with just 6. Just 6, not enough, man. But it might go a little bit lower. This is what I'm trying to get back to, right up here. Up here. They gain this 5-minute. I'll take a PT and I'll look for re-entry too. Yeah, I'm going to. Okay, taking 1 PT here. 1 PT, 2 contracts when I do 1 PT. All right, $12 in the bank. We're working. We're working today. No gain, no. Uh-oh. I'd like to see them gain that and then push to the hourly. Yeah, man, if you guys start posting in the Discord, I'll make a little community thing for you that tracks it like this. That tracks it. You just need to post in the Discord. All right, trying to gain the 5-minute here. Trying to gain it. Looks like I might be doing a re-add. Is this a gain or what? Oh yeah, they're gaining it. 18 seconds left. No, not quite. Not quite again. No. Oh, no. Oh, maybe. No, maybe. 5 seconds. Yeah, they gained it.
Order filled.
Back in.
Order filled.
Looks like I'm buying this area. I wanted it a bit lower. Can we just get a little bit of a pullback so I can get a re-add, please?
Order filled. Order filled.
In with 8. I knew taking this liquidity looks all right, but honestly, we'll be taking PTs there. All right, man, let's push it. Let's push it. Why can't I get this stupid YouTube chat to work, man? God damn it. These mosquitoes, dude. They come and they eat me. Yeah, I gotcha. Fucking die. Man, there's like a cat that's living inside my ceiling. I swear. It's huge. It sounds like a rhinoceros fucking stomping around in there, man. It's massive. It's massive. I still just have 8. I wanted to get 2 more, but no. Even if this one fails, the next one I'll still try to long. Looks good, man. Looks good to me. Looks good to me, man. We'll market open in about 5 minutes.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got 10. I can take 5 more or 6 more down in this range if they dump it. Let's do it, man. Let's pump it one time.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I got 16. That's pretty much it for me for this trade idea. Russell, yeah, we can. Russell also gained the 1 minute. A little bit to go before gaining the 5, but they did gain the 1. They're probably going to take this liquidity here, and that's the 5 minute gain. So that'll be the 5 minute failure. So if you're in, you're in. If you're not, you're not.
Order filled. Order filled.
This might be a stopper. This might be an old stopper. Worth a try, man. All right. I gotta look to get out of this position. God damn. Yeah, 1 minute. Here's the open.
Order filled.
Nice. Closed it 174. I lucked out on that one. I'm gonna look to re get in on this if they pull it back. That was lucky. So they rejected their... This is the re-entry spot.
Order filled.
We're at 2. Come on. We need more than 2.
Order filled.
I got 4. All right. Taking 2 off.
Order filled.
Just gonna put stop for the rest here. That was the Riyadh. It wasn't. I didn't get that big of a Riyadh. You know, wasn't the greatest. It was only 2. They didn't give that. They didn't do it that deep. You know. Kind of sucks. Oh well. $204 plus whatever's open here. This is probably gonna get stopped out. We'll see if I'm lucky. So this I would target new 4-hour high is what we really should target here for this. New 4-hour high, that's up here. A new 4-hour high. So I would just target the liquidity above this and really just the failure to lose on this hourly. But honestly, you're probably gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna target this hourly swing here. ES is looking a bit rough here, man. So the target should be here at this liquidity, right? They almost made it there. It's a decent 15-minute gain on the YM. If they close it up here. If they don't, this doesn't look very good. Russell making a move now. I stopped out on that. I can look at Russell now. Still a long way away to gain the 1 minute. Big rejection on this YM. ES looks like it's gonna take the lows. We should look at ES. Is it touching anything? Is there anything else there? What's the next thing down? This? It's coming into an hourly swing at 89. Yeah, it's untested. This right here, 93. 89 is kind of tested, but 93. Around 93. It's basically where it's at now. Why I'm still holding in there, man. Whoa, that's a big rejection, man, on YM. Really. They basically rejected the hourly. They didn't quite get to where I wanted to take PT, but quite the move on ES. Missed it. Should not do continuation downs here, man, because they took liquidity. Get this over to the 4 hour, dude. What's 4 hour? 240? This could go a little bit further down, man. The 4 hour continuation is a little bit further down for ES, man. Really. Why I'm looking like poop now. Like poo poo. This 4 hour continuation for this is a little bit further down too, so I would be interested in longing this again though. Russell makes new lows. New local lows. New local lows on the Rust dog. No, not local lows yet. This looks like it's headed down though. This is the area that I was interested in. It's too bad I didn't long that, man. That would have been a good trade. I had that on the chart. This is the hourly move that made this swing. It's not really a swing low though, so it's not really important. Oh yeah, it is. It's this over here. Russell could go a little bit lower. This is kind of the important level here for Russell to stay above. That's the hourly important one. YM held, yeah? Holy. Wow, they held that. I can't believe it. Looks decent for a trade, man. Oh, Russell dropping hard, man. Russell new lows. Yeah, man, like, you know, the bottom of this is already tested, so this is it. This is the spot for Russell. They gain this 1 minute, I'm taking trades. Even they gain the body of it, I'll take a trade. $15-minute closes in 4 minutes. It's not looking too pretty here for these markets. Russell, new local low. Nice, easy 1 minute swing to gain now, though. This is the area for Russell. Russell at support. This is where you want to see them hold it, man. Nice, easy 1 minute swing to gain. Can we do it, Russell? I think we can. I think we can right now.
Order filled.
Mid on Russell longs.
Order filled.
Just 6. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too cray-cray. Just 6. Nothing too cray-cray for me. This could go back to the 4 hour. If they're holding this, then this could go all the way back up to here. 69. It's a little bit far still. I'm gonna take 2 off soon. All right, 2 off here.
Order filled.
4 left. I'll look to re-add on this one if they drop it back down. Do 20 on the day. Okay, back in.
Filled. Order filled.
I have 8 now. This needs to stop here though, right? I can't do more than 8. Don't let me do more than 8. God damn it. 2 more. I'm putting in stops though, man. 10. I'm putting in stops. Sell stop. God damn you. God damn you, Russell. Just pump it, man. Just pump it one time for me, man. Come on, dude. Come on, old man Russie. Come on, you fucking piece of shit, old guy. Let's go. Just fucking do it, man. Oh, I hate you so much, man. Just do it. Nah. Stop coming. I hate you. I hate you, Russell. How could you do this to me, Russell? Yeah, I'll take some off on a swing of this, even 63. But yeah, around 70 really for the PT. But yeah, on liquidity sweeps, I'd be taking PTs. Just fucking pump it, man. Just do it once. What's going on, Slavic? Welcome to the new stream, brother. What do you think? I did some improvements. Check out the new starting screen. You never see it. Pretty sweet, yeah. Has my totals and everything for the week and everything, or for the last 15 days. Win percentages and shit. Let's go. Oh, it looks like we might get a stop here, man. That sucks. It was a decent setup, dude. If we just continued to trade the YM, we would have been laughing. Damn it. Still might play. All right, let's have a move here, man. Come on, Russell. Come on, Russell. Oh, yeah, good. Taking 2 off. Yeah, taking 2 more. 6 left. All right, 4 left. Stop in profit. Let's fucking go, boys. 261 on the day. 4 runners. That's probably getting stopped out. That'll probably be the last trade for the day. Man, look at YM, man. Look at YM, dude. Why if we just continued to trade YM, we would have been fucking loving life. Instead, we get fucking $40 on this bullshit. God damn it. All right. Let's pump it for the rest of these 4 anyway, man. Come on, old boy. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Hate you. I should put it on this screen, yeah? Really close to a stop out. I should just go for a smoke and just fucking just not look at this right now. Look at YM, man. I can't believe it. I knew that was going to be a good fucking trade. Look at my line. Why I'm at resistance. Russell's got a ways to go, man. Gain this 15. Gain this 15 minute. You try to gain that. Definitely going to put a PT there. 2's coming off there. On a gain attempt of that. Honestly, maybe even the whole batch. Maybe even the whole batcher. Maybe the whole batcher. So, how's trading going? Slavic, how are you, bud? How's trading? Have you started yet? Alright, you're gonna stop me out. You cock, man. You cock, man. Stopped in profit. YM is retesting now the 15-minute gain, but they also failed the 15-minute too, coming back down here. This was tested on the way up, so this is not a good trade for me anyway. This is all tested on the way up, so they may hold it, but it's tested already. The trade was before, you know, was before. It was in here. I didn't have the balls to do it. I did have a trade on it, but I took all my PTs. How about the other markets? Is there any last hopes for any other trade? Is there any other trades happening right now? What about ES? This ES 1 minute gain. What about that? What's ES bouncing here? They didn't quite get to it, right? Yeah, they didn't quite get to it. They're bouncing just that. That's already tested. Yeah, they didn't really get to it, man. I don't really like it. That's too bad. It looked really good for a hot minute. NQ's ripping. NQ hasn't really gained anything. This was the area for them to test and hold, though. So there's that. Yeah, there's that. You had no time on the weekend to learn? Oh, that's too bad. It's all right, man. The good thing about trading is you're never, you know, it's always there waiting for you to learn. It's fine, you know. Anytime you're ready for trading, it's ready for you. Like, you're never too late, you know. It's never like, oh damn, I'm too late. No, can't do it. No, you can do it anytime. You can do it anytime, man. This ES 1 minute gainer, they're trying, man. They're trying here with the 1 minute gainer and retest. I mean, I have so much work to do for the automated trading bot. It's ridiculous. My partner, he just keeps sending me like pages of trades, and I'm like, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this, man? He sent me like 100 trades the other day that I'm supposed to like review and then like talk about. What the fuck? That's a lot of work, man. I honestly, guys, I think that was the last trade, I think, for me. I do want to test some of this functionality in the Discord too. I can stay on for a bit though, because there was a whole bunch of things that came into the Discord. There was a whole bunch of this is what we did today. 261. Not the greatest, man, really. Been kind of a lackluster kind of last few days. I didn't have the balls to do it today on YM. I should have made bank, man. I should have made money. It came back down and tested and retested all the way down to the stop. It's too bad. That is too bad. What AI do I use? I'm using the new Grok 4.6, but it really doesn't fucking matter. They're all basically the same. But I heard the new Grok 4.6, it was just released like not even a week ago. So I'm using that for now. I can switch whatever. I use cursor, so I can just switch whenever I want to whatever AI I want. Whatever one does the task better. It's not like AI trading, right? Like their AI is just helping me code. Like it's still all based off of rules and lines on the chart, right? There's still just rules to engagement. But so it's not like machine learning and AI trading or anything like that. Anyway, I don't think that's ever going to be a thing, really. Maybe, but there needs to be rules, you know, for you know, it's very specific things happen in price action, right? So once you understand the setups, it's kind of the money just kind of flows in. You still have loser days, right? But it's just not very often. What was I trading right now? I had trades on YM and Russell. The futures. It's what I trade mostly. I only trade that because that's where the setups are. Like if you look over once you understand price action, you're just looking for setups. It doesn't matter what the chart is. You can trade it on anything. But it's that's where those were the setups were today. If crypto had more setups daily, then I would just trade crypto all the time. But it doesn't. It's the problem. So yeah, those are going in the Discord. If you guys haven't joined our Discord, I can put a link in there for you, or Cool can put it in. I better put it in actually. We're just about to boost the Discord. What do I think of order blocks? Yeah, you know, yeah, I don't call them order blocks. I just call it area of interest. They never were called order blocks, you know, when I started trading 15 years ago, but it's the same shit. I use them for sure. But you need to know which order blocks to thanks, Cool. I was just looking around for it and couldn't find it. Yeah, I was I do use order blocks, but it's just put that it's on Discord. Oops. Here you go. I'll have to get all the bots set up on this stupid thing again, man. Yeah, but yeah, so order blocks, yeah, I do use them, you know what I mean? But you just need to know which ones are good, right? Like today. Oops. Wow, man. So today, YM gained this. I took a trade, but I should have waited, right? Because they didn't gain this with any kind of like, you know, any kind of volume. So I really should have waited. But I did take this order block on the way down. I didn't have a stop in, so I didn't get stopped out. So took that and then sold it all. Sold it all mostly on the first pump. I did one re-add and then sold it again here. And then I was done for the day. $260. Those were the trades. I think I took a trade on Russell too. Yes, too. Just a small trade on the 1 minute they gained. This right here. This. So I took this trade. They gained this 1 minute right here. So on the retest, got involved. Took PTs here. And they dumped it again. So if they gain this, they could maybe get involved again. But I'm pretty much done trading for today. I only really trade the first half an hour of the session, man, and then that's it. I don't really care too much for to be like on the charts all fucking day or whatever, like some people. You guys have any other any questions about trading? I'll definitely happy to explain whatever you guys want. I'm just gonna go for a quick cigarette, and then I'll come back for question time, or if you guys want to go through charts. Really, we should go through the Discord too, because there's just tons of 261. There's tons of signals in here that I haven't gone through yet. I need to go through the earnings reviews. And then we have the new AI bot just blasting out signals all the time. I need to look through those, see if there are any good ones in there, or if I need to do some adjustments on the bot. This still gets a meh. I need 300 plus to be like bang bang. So it's pretty cool, man. I have the on the stream, I have a bot that goes in here and looks through all my posts. I can set it up for anybody's post. So like, you know, if you guys want me to start charting your progress, maybe I'll do a community charts thing for who's in the lead or something like that. If we start getting some people posting in here. But yeah, it goes through all my posts, and it just, I don't even have to post anything. It looks at the pictures and then depicts what's in the pictures as far as the win rate and the gross profit, and then it posts it. and I have it posted on the start screen. And then the start screen, that last 15 sessions is like accurate data from the Discord. It's pretty sweet, man. And then I even have it doing on the last session, it's supposed to, oh, it didn't update. Yeah, see, it's supposed to show this session, so it didn't update yet. I wonder how long it takes for that to update. I don't know. I don't know if it does or not, or what it does or not. Let's look at it. Stupid coding. Oh man, now that I have access to AI, it's like I can code anything I fucking want. It's great. It's so crazy, man. Just, you can build anything you want. It's like this re-ad would have worked. God damn it. Look at this re-ad. Would have worked. Russell gained the 1 too. Oh, not yet. Almost. Oh yeah, they did. They gained it. Not a bad idea to get into some Russell trades right now. I think this is gonna blast her. If I was paying more attention, I would have took this gain. Yeah, it's too bad I missed that. Too busy blabbing on about this stupid Discord. not making money. Look at that YM retest, man. Holy shit. Look at that thing go. Boom. Just the perfect retest. Look at that. Wow. That could have been like a $500 move, man. Yeah, you don't really need fibs. Support resistance, yes, but you need to understand what is support resistance. Where do those lines come from? Yeah, you need to learn first. Price action, you need to learn. I already told you, bro. You can just go to the Discord and just watch those videos. Did you watch those videos yet in the Discord? It's not that many, man. Really, it's like 40 minutes of content, maybe, maybe if that, in here. This training videos. This, man, like, look, this is 12 minutes. This is 3 minutes. This is 9 minutes. This is 12 minutes. 7 minutes. 4 minutes. 2 minutes. 4 minutes. 2 minutes. 3 minutes. You know, they're not very, it's not very long. It's 7 minutes. That's it. That's all the videos. Yeah. You just watch all those and then come back with your questions after, and then I'll explain whatever you want. It's fine. Yeah, if you ever miss a stream and you want to go through the VODs, everything's right here too. I got to get back in the habit of, like, when I'm teaching people on stream, that I clip it and I record it so I can post it to the YouTube. Yeah, There's your big idea, Slavic, needs to be on a 4-hour chart, or whatever your big idea is. It needs to be like the idea for the trade needs to come from a bigger chart than your entry. Your entry can be on like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, but your bigger idea needs to be on the hourly or above, I would say. Russell gaining to 5 here. Pretty serious gain from Russell, from old Rust Dog. It's too bad I didn't take that trade. I think it's a little too late now. This is the hour. This is the failure, the hourly failure. But they already tested down, so this is a bit more spooky to take. It's a bit more spooky right here. This guy. This move that made that. Some people would mark it here. Coming in for a little bit of a retest here. Yeah, sure. Let me go for a cigarette and then I'll break down gold for you. Sure, no problem. It's all the same, right? Like it doesn't matter what chart. What I'm doing on the futures here works on everything. It doesn't really matter the chart. So I'll be back. Russell coming back down again. Just look at ES. Maybe there'll be one more trade here, man. Nah, ES failing the 1 minute now. The easy moves are gone. The easy ones are gone, boys. Russell, honestly, if it doesn't hold here, it could... Nah, man, like, this is it, and this is it for Russell. If it doesn't hold here, it's trouble, man. It's going to take a small trade here on Russell.
Order filled. Order filled.
They gain the 5. Four long, Russell. All right. All right. All right, we'll let that cook. I'm not going to take too much more on that. See if we can get new highs, or at least rally up here. Okay, Slavic. 4 hour had an uptrend. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm just going to get a stop in on Russell here first. Sell stop 4, I want. 4. Oh, are they going to just stop it? No stop yet. No stop yet. Let's look at the 4 hour. So they've gained the 4 hour. So you should be looking at 4 hour continuations now. So you'd be looking at 4 hour continuation longs when it gets back down here. That's kind of it for gold. Yeah. This is also this over here, so you don't really want to see them close below that, so you want them to hold that and continue. They did fail this. So this was the short here. Was the short. And then it didn't work out. It worked a little bit and then it didn't work anymore. I'm gonna take 2 more on Russell here.
Order filled.
What do I got here? 6. Might take a stop here on the rest of this. We'll see. Let that play out. So, like, what you should have been doing on here is looking for longs when it swept liquidity, right? So, like, when it swept this, you should have been looking for longs here. When it swept this, you should have been looking for longs here. And there's a big untested area down here on untested 4, right? So this is an untested 4-hour swing. So that's the kind of area that you want to be looking at for longs if it got down there. But you also want to be looking when it sweeps the liquidity. So in this area, you wanted to be looking for longs. Didn't really give you the best setup because it didn't gain until up here on the 15. Might have give you a 5-minute setup. I don't know. Yeah, there was a 5-minute setup in here, but they did sweep it, so you know, not the greatest. They did you dirty. So right here was the setup. Came down, made new lows, gained this 5-minute with volume, came back down, retest, held, and then pumped. So you would have took PTs and then got your stop into profit, and then got stopped out here. Then they reachieved. So you could have, if you were paying attention, you could have, like, when they reachieved this, you could have got involved again, right? Like they reachieved right here, right? So you could have got involved on this retest back here, and then again, profits and move your stop to profit. So that's all I really see on gold. There's nothing really too much to talk about on gold right now. And they're pushing into a tested area. They tested this already, right? So this was an untested swing. This, when they lost this, so that's why the first time when they tested it, it rejected. So now they're pushing it again, right? So they're probably going to take these highs. Because this swing is tested now at this point. There's actually a swing in here that's not. Let me just see here. No, this is basically tested too, right? It's really close. So that would be the next area to be looking for shorts. And like, you can't just take shorts there. You need to be looking for what, you know, if there's an opportunity there. So just opportunity lines. It's not like you can't just be firing shorts in all willy-nilly. Makes sense? This makes a new high, moving my stop to profit. Pump it, old man. You got it. You fucking know it, brother. Just fucking pump it. Close enough. Stop's going to profit. All right, man. We're in a Russell trade. We got 6. We'll take 2 off here.
Order filled.
4 left. Makes a little bit of sense. Yeah. Watch all those videos, man, and then it will make a lot more sense. It's very important about tested levels, right? That's why, like, that's why I'm interested in this Russell trade right now, because like I'm looking at the Russell trade, US 2000. I'm looking at this Russell trade, right? So if they don't hold this right here, if they don't hold this level, everything else here is tested, man. You know, if this is all tested. The next tested, not untested area is like here, but this, even this was tested on the way out. They tested that right here, you know, right here. They basically tested that. So if they don't hold this, this is going down far. This is going to go all the way down here is the next thing. Even that's an internal. That's not really it. Yeah, it would be down here. Down here would be it. So if they don't hold this, they're gonna drop it to here. So people, you know, people are gonna step in here and fucking defend this, man, because this is the last possible fucking place. So there's gonna be, even if it doesn't go, it's, I know there's gonna be a reaction here. Enough for me to make, you know, I already took a $40 PT. You know what I mean? I can take another one right now. There's 55 in open profit. Just gonna chase up the stop a bit. Oh, great. All right, we're gonna take 2 more off here. Sell 2. Thank you. Thank you, Russell. 2 left. They might come retest that, so we'll just leave that there. So that's it. 2 runners. One will be at the top. One will be here. And one will be a runner. Basically how you trade. Another 49. Should just close this off, man, and just be done with it, man. Another 52. Take it home. All right. That's it. I'm gonna adjust our Discord. Take it home, man. Take it home, Cool says. Take it fucking home. Take it home, he says. I gotta delete these now when they're wrong. 362 for today. Not bad. Take it home, he says. Why don't you guys post your wins in the fucking Discord? Just me, yeah? 91% win rate today. Plus 362. Ding ding. Is that a nice fire emoji there? A nice fire emoji. Yeah, so that should get picked up now by the stream. Let me just see. I just want to test this out here. Maybe I need to reload this. Oh yeah, this is the old one. We'll see about after when I finish that. Yeah, GG's for sure. Did you see this? Look what I made here, man. Trading. So stupid. Yeah, man. So let's look through this a little bit, man. I can make this smaller like this and then bring up another window like this. Yeah, that's what I'll do. This is how we'll run through the, oh no, I don't want that. This is how we'll run through the there we go. That's good enough. All right, let's have a look. Just have a peruse through, man. Let's have a peruse through. See if there's any anything worth talking about. Signals, reviews. Oh, one that I should bring to you guys. I did put it. It was in signals. It came in AI signals. It's Netflix. Did you guys see that? Netflix gained the weekly. Yeah, the AI picked it up. Gained the weekly. What's Netflix? This isn't bad. This isn't a bad trade on this gap fill. 74. Even around here is not too bad. Gaining the weekly after add an untested daily. This is a decent spot, man. This is an untested daily. How do I get this out of here now, man? Okay. Yeah, you guys should look through this AI signals though. Just take it with a grain of salt. You need to check all those because it's not like I didn't look through them really. But yeah, it is showing stuff like this is showing it lost the weekly. This lost the weekly here. Like this one obviously is not. Don't long this way up here, you know. That's the mistake. But this one lost the weekly. Another one lost the weekly here. Lost the weekly and it's retesting. This is working pretty good, man. I'm pretty surprised really at how good it's working. Another one lost the weekly, retesting. Yeah. What do we got here? Earnings review. How many charts do I have here to look at? Just 10? Okay, good. Not too many. No. This one maybe. Early signal, but coming back into the weekly. Still a little ways away. I gotta kind of have to put this up on the other screen so I can take a decent screenshot of it. And this is failing the weekly though too. Looking for a short? Where? On what? This looks like it's gonna gain, but you might get some kind of short out of it. The weekly kind of looks like it's gonna gain. The weekly, so the weekly levels were here, and the top of it was there, right? So they tested the weekly on the way down, and they tested the top here. So it's already been tested. This swing, you know. They did take liquidity, so you might get something out of it for sure, but this would be counter trend. You should expect this to get higher than this. They did take the weekly liquidity. How's the 4 hour looking? Pretty chop. Pretty choppy. Yeah. Down here, right? Wouldn't be bad. It looks like it's running out of steam. Gap at the top. Oh yeah, let me see. Yeah. Oh, let me see. Sorry, I can't wait to upgrade that stupid subscription. Daily, yeah. This daily gap. It's not really the swing though, right? The swing is here. The daily swing is here. So this was tested on the way out. Right, they tested it here, and then they tested the bottom there. So that's why there was not much resistance here when they went through it. So if they get back below this, then maybe a move like this, but I wouldn't be in a rush to short this. I think this looks like it's going higher than this in my mind. Yeah, that's really all. It's really all there is for this guy. Anyway, back to these weekly signals. Soon the AI will just be able to do this all by itself. I won't have to do this anymore. What's the save here, man? Control Alt S. Control Alt S. No.
This is where your story begins.
No.
But I don't want you to be sad that I'm gone. I want you to
Old man Russ is down again.
best ever had a chance to be here at all.
So let me get through these first. Nah, nothing really important there. Not too late. Yeah. That's it. One you guys got today. Old man Russ? Yeah, I don't know, man. They've already tested this. You know? I don't like it when they test it already. Oh, YM makes new lows. Wow. YM we should be looking at. Because it just made new lows. No 1 minute gain, though. This will probably bounce here. Let me just see this end card now. Oh yeah, see, it did update. It's pretty cool, man. It even updates like in real time with today's data. Fucking A, man. I fucking programmed this great. Thanks, AI. You guys have any charts you want me to look at? I'd keep an eye on YM here, guys. It's coming into the first test on the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour first test for YM. A little bit lower, and that's a goer for sure. This is a goer. A little bit lower. This one, yeah. Fuck. I have to do this on this side. At the weekly resistance spot. So all eyes on this now. At weekly resistance. This is tested. They swept the liquidity. Did they fail the daily? They held the daily. They gained the inside daily too. The problem with this is like you can't long this now. The time the long this was down here, right? Off of this. So it's like you shouldn't be looking for longs on this guy here now. Should have looked back in May. Here it's like they're showing signs of continuation. Are you already in this? Like they are showing signs of continuation. I wouldn't want them to lose this. The bottom's already tested, so you'd want them to hold that and keep going. But they did come down. They didn't lose the daily. They've re-achieved the inside daily. They've taken liquidity on a good, or on on a level that's already been tested. So this is already tested and they've taken liquidity, and then now they're showing more signs of up, right? So would kind of think that this is going to head higher. We'll see what happens up here. This is untested up here, I believe. Yeah, this isn't really that tested. They tested it once on the way out. I have to delete this here. Did they? This is the high. They tested that on the way out. So even the high is tested already. Like they did this full test on it already. So the liquidity would be here. Right here would be the liquidity. So I'd kind of watch that area. It's kind of where I think it's going. And then it's decision time again for that. Yeah, my girlfriend, she's just bringing me food, man. Let's go. See you later, Slavic, man. Do some learning, man. Happy to help you anytime. We can even get you on the mic, man, if you have some, if you want to talk through some things. Why I'm making a little bit of a move here off that new low. Same with the Russell. Russell is pumping now a little bit. Would have been a good re-entry. You were right, cool. You were right. I don't like it when it's like that though. Those are more risky. Those are more risky. It's okay to take those, man, but like you really should like be gearing down how much you put in, right? Because those ones are way more risky. Really, you really should keep it to the first test. This one wasn't too bad though, because they basically gained the 15 here, right? On that. So this is kind of like the first test of it. You know? You were right, cool. I should have listened to you, man. Could have made an extra couple hundred bones. Could have made an extra couple hundred bone doggers. I gotta fix that. I gotta fix the Discord. I gotta boost the Discord. So we can have a named server. It's like $6. Are you profitable yet? Cool. Took me a long time to get profitable, man. So today, 362. You're profitable now? Good. Oh, and trading, not so much. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Investments is easy. You just put your money in and fucking walk away. You know what I mean? That's easy. but trading is the hard part. I mean, it's not so hard after you know what the fuck's going on, really. It's not too bad. I really like this job because I can come here for like 2 hours. When did I get here? 8:30? Yeah. That's 2.5 hours. Shoot the breeze with fucking you guys, with Cool and the gang. And then fucking make a few trades, and that's it, man. You're out. You're out for the day, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, man. It's great. Yeah, dude, I'm sure you're going to be, if you're not profitable yet from trading, you're going to be very soon. Like you know what's up now at this point, for the most part. But then it's all about already know it's all about emotion, man. Emotion control. You know how bad I am with that. I'm fucking selling out trades like so fast all the time. I never hold my runners, even I'm terrible with at it. But I just know if I do it this way, I always make like a couple $100, so I just continue to do it this way. I'm happy to come here and make like $200, $300, $500. It's fine. If I can do that all the time, it's not a big deal. I mean, we're on a pretty big tear right now. After today, it's over a 15-day winning streak. It's not bad, man. Look at that graph, dude. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping in, man. I appreciate you guys trading. I hope you guys like the new stream. It took me all day today. That's all I did, but I was bored, so I did this. I think it turned out all right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. What do we got here? The heater this week's on Wednesday. FOMC. It's at the end of the day though, so it's not going to affect me too much, but it is at the end of the day. And that's it. If you're new here, don't forget to join the Discord. If anybody subscribed today or anything, I thank you. I didn't see you because I don't have any of the notifications set up. The stream is brand new, so it's all the graphics and everything is new. If you are interested in joining the Discord, just check out the links below. The link on the screen doesn't even work yet, so it's going to be set up by tomorrow. Yeah, it's FOMC for interest rate. Yeah, I know. It is important. I think the markets are going to dump like crazy. I think tomorrow's tomorrow's probably the kickoff here to some far lower numbers, Bitcoin's going to 45. Oh, it's next month, is it? See how much I even pay attention to. I just know it's FOMC meeting time. So what are they talking about? It said here in the Discord that it was FOMC. FOMC meeting minutes, whatever that means. Oh, they haven't discussed, so that's not even important then. So this week, really, there's like no news at all. Nothing of importance anyway. There is news. You guys see that? You guys see at the bottom here, eh? I put there's just any news that's coming up. It's on there. Oh, it's not switching. Oh, I'm gonna have to get that to get switched. This should show every piece of news for the day and rotate out. on the bottom there. I still have some work to do with the stream, man. Here at the top, there should be that bar, the same bar that's on the that's here. It says the New York Open on the top and the time. That should be here for full cam. It should be up there. Yeah, bit of work to be done. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping in, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Pressed against my